Carpenter. A carpenter is a skilled worker who builds and repairs wooden structures. They play an important role in construction and home improvement. Carpenters work on various projects, including houses, furniture, cabinets, and more. Their job requires both physical and mental skills. One of the main tasks of a carpenter is to read and interpret blueprints. Blueprints are detailed drawings that show how a project should be built. Carpenters must understand these plans to know what materials to use and how to construct the project. They need to pay close attention to measurements and details to ensure everything fits together correctly. Carpenters work with many different tools. Common tools include saws, hammers, drills, and levels. Each tool has a specific purpose. For example, saws are used to cut wood, while drills make holes. Carpenters must be skilled in using these tools safely and effectively. They also need to maintain their tools and keep them in good condition. Measuring is a critical part of a carpenter's job. Accurate measurements are essential for making precise cuts. Carpenters often use measuring tapes and squares to ensure everything is level and straight. They take time to measure twice before cutting to avoid mistakes. A small error can lead to significant problems later in the project. Carpenters work with various types of wood and materials. They may use softwood, hardwood, plywood, or composite materials. Each type of wood has its own characteristics and uses. For example, hardwood is often used for furniture, while softwood is common in construction. Carpenters must know which materials are best for each job. In addition to building new structures, carpenters also repair and remodel existing ones. This could involve fixing damaged cabinets, replacing floors, or updating fixtures. Carpenters need to assess the condition of the materials and decide the best course of action. Repair work often requires creativity and problem-solving skills, as each project can present unique challenges. Safety is a top priority for carpenters. Construction sites can be dangerous places. Carpenters must follow safety guidelines to prevent injuries. This includes wearing protective gear like gloves, safety glasses, and hard hats. They should also be aware of their surroundings and keep the work area clean to reduce hazards. Carpenters often work in teams, especially on larger projects. Teamwork is essential for completing tasks efficiently and safely. Good communication among team members helps ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. Carpenters must coordinate their work with other tradespeople, such as electricians and plumbers, to avoid conflicts. Training is important for becoming a carpenter. Many carpenters learn their trade through apprenticeships. During an apprenticeship, they work under experienced carpenters to gain hands-on experience. This training helps them develop their skills and learn the tools of the trade. Some carpenters may also attend vocational schools to learn about construction techniques and safety practices. Working hours for carpenters can vary. They may work regular hours during the week, but they often need to work evenings or weekends to meet project deadlines. The job can be physically demanding, as carpenters spend much of their time on their feet, lifting heavy materials and using tools. Staying fit and healthy is important for managing the physical aspects of the job. Carpenters also need to have good math skills. They must be able to calculate dimensions areas, and volumes. This helps them determine how much material is needed for a project. Accurate calculations ensure that the right amount of materials is ordered and that waste is minimized. Being good at math also helps carpenters make precise cuts and adjustments. Creativity is an essential part of a carpenter's job. Carpenters often need to come up with innovative solutions to problems that arise during a project. They may need to design custom furniture or create unique features in a home. Using creativity allows carpenters to make each project special and tailored to the client's needs. The job of a carpenter can be rewarding. Carpenters get to see the results of their hard work when a project is completed. They often take pride in their craftsmanship and the quality of their work. Creating something with their hands gives them a sense of accomplishment. Many carpenters build lasting relationships with their clients and contribute to their communities by providing valuable services. As technology advances, carpenters are also incorporating new tools and techniques into their work. For example, computer-aided design (CAD) software helps carpenters create detailed plans and visualize their projects before starting. This technology can improve accuracy and efficiency in the building process. Staying updated with the latest tools and trends is essential for modern carpenters. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in sustainable building practices. Many carpenters are now focused on using eco-friendly materials and techniques. This includes sourcing wood from sustainable forests and using energy-efficient designs. Carpenters can play a significant role in promoting environmentally responsible construction methods. They help create homes that are not only beautiful, but also good for the planet. In conclusion, the job of a carpenter is multifaceted and essential in the construction industry. Carpenters build and repair wooden structures, work with various materials, and use many tools. They must be skilled in measuring, cutting, and assembling wood. Safety, teamwork, and creativity are also important aspects of the job. With the right training and dedication, carpenters can have a fulfilling career. They create functional and beautiful spaces that enhance people's lives and contribute to the community.